Okay, it does just have a 6 clutch drum clutch pack in here. Though what's crazy, it's got a capable of having a 10 clutch pack in this drum because the snap ringer is really high. Kind of odd they didn't put that in there, but we would definitely go back with a 10 clutch system in here. He's got a 10 clutch hub already that'll reach the clutch, so that'll be an upgrade for him to help definitely. Let me look at something here too. I want to make sure that what type of bushing. Yep, it is brand new. Everything looks good. Teflon coated. The band looks really good. Actually looks new. You can tell the gentleman hasn't driven the car much because he just can't get it to go around the block without getting hot. I mean, I don't know if he does drive it on the street or not. I didn't ask him that question. But this is not a street shaft to run because it just will not have cooler line flow with that shaft if you try to drive it on the street. This is the bearing that sets down in here that runs against your sun gear right here, like that. This is your ring gear for your planetary system. Now you notice I didn't ever tell anybody, these are straight cut. A lot of your gears now are angle cut like this. If it's the GM or the GM style, these will wind because they are straight cut. Everything looks really nice there. Can't see it. It locked in right there.
That's a full ring.
Is that a full ring?
That's a full ring.
Okay. It's going to take a special tool to get this out though. I have to find it and I'll show you later maybe in another video or something, but you can tell here, even with this new ring gear rubs right here, you know, I don't know what this guy, he probably gave $2,500 for this dang transmission or something, but look at the used plate they put in here. It's all chewed up where that runs against that ring gear. You can see it right there. He does have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clutch here. I ought to put a 7 clutch here, but he does have a 5 clutch. When we go back, we'll put a different piston down here and put 7 because this clutch here is what holds your tranny brake and your bump box. So when you go to put your tranny brake on, this clutch comes on, and when you bump in, this clutch has to release and come back on. So everything I see here looks really good. Let's look in the pump really quick and just verify that this looks good still. You always want to look at your pump body across this area because this is your suction from your filter. This is your pressure for your pump. So if you get a rut from here to here, you will have very terrible pump pressure. These scarring, you can't feel them. It's just a shadow, basically, what you see. You can see the bluings off on the gears. You can see where it's starting to wear here. It don't take long for a pump and a Powerglide to start wear because the gear thickness is so thin. You know, you get a 400 gear, it's about that thin or thick, and a 350 gear is about that thick, but a Powerglide is so thin that when you got high pressure, you know, at 240 pounds, it tries to shove this gear sideways in the bore and it'll wear it out right through here. Right through here. But what we do, we come in here on this side and we drill a hole right here to right in the center there, and then we chamfer just a little bit to put pressure right here. Your line pressure says 180, 200 pounds. We're putting it right there on that gear, so this gear is being pushed on that oil right there, coming through this hole I add to this pump right here. So everything looks pretty good, so I blame it on an input shaft. we'll get it back together for the customer and all new bushings, upgrade the drum to a 9 or 10 clutch drum, and probably some new pump gears, and get him back on the track, and I bet you it'll work. Have a good day.